How to sign up for Microsoft Azure. Hey everybody, if you're wondering how you can do it, today in this video we are going to teach you, so let's just dive right. So for that, when you open up your Azure app, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the sign in option on your screen. And when you do that, all you need to do is go ahead and enter up your Microsoft account details, like your email or your phone number or your Skype, whichever you have used in order to create an account. After that, tap on next and enter up your password. For now, I'm using my email. Once you enter your email address or your phone number, you should be receiving a code. You just need to go ahead and tap on the send code, and when you do that, you just need to go ahead and enter up the code that you will be receiving here and tap on the sign in option. And once you do that, you should be logged in into Azure. And in order to access Azure, you need to go ahead and subscribe to Azure to access all of the features. So you can get a free Azure account at the Azure website, or if you have an Azure subscription linked to a different email account, you can add it to this app. So for now, this is how you basically sign up into Azure if you don't have an account yet. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.